Want to stay in Southeast Asia's first and tallest residential project with sky elevated garage? There are only 56 units in this freehold project. My name is Tina from Urban Agents, and let us walk you through Reignwood Hamilton Scotts. There are no lack of facilities here. 45-meter lap pool, we have the jacuzzi, play pool, barbecue pits, concierge service, the gym, and also a breakfast service. And security is 24 hours here. We are now on the 24th floor. I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom unit, 2756 square feet. This beautiful home comes with 3 bedrooms en suite. There's a living room, dining, huge balcony. Come, let me show you the living room. As you walk into your living room, look at how it's being decorated, oozing with luxury and quality. 2 sets of sofas side by side, 2 armchairs, easily can entertain 15 of your guests. And look at how nice this bay window has been converted into benches for you to enjoy reading a book by the side, looking at the chandeliers. Look at the wall over there. Just a very good space for a lush TV or projector of your choice. And I'm sure you have already seen the view outside from glimpses, right? Let's take a better look outside. Look at this huge balcony. It's really an extension of your living area. You can put sofas here, sit down, enjoy the view outside, and also an alfresco dining area, enough to feed 10 while you entertain your guests or have lunch or dinner on a cool day. And next, let us take a look at this fantastic view outside. The colonial bungalows are there in the Goodwood Hill, and this is conserved land. Forever, you have good views outside. Over far away on a clear day, you look at Bukit Timah and also all the way to the north of the Singapore island. This is really fantastic living, beautiful view, clear skies, wind, sunlight. This is what I call enjoyment. And before I bring you to the rest of the home, let's look at the most iconic feature of Hamilton Scotts, which is the elevated sky garage. This garage easily fits in 2 cars for you to admire. However, many do not know that this garage can be converted into the 4th bedroom of this home. Come, let me bring you to the dining and the kitchen. And now we are at the dining and kitchen area. Just look at this beautiful 10-seater table. Just great for you to entertain your friends or have a cozy family dinner. Chandeliers making this a very comfortable and loving place for all. This marble island table can also act as a breakfast counter in the morning. Ample space for you to work. Built-in fridges, your sinks here, ample space for storage of your essentials, and we have Miele oven, hood and hob to help you cook, and there is a backyard for your helper and also washing and dryer. Let's go to the first common bedroom. The 2 common bedrooms are identical in size, both en suite. Bathroom comes with marble tiles, huge glass, rain shower. Look at this cabinet. It is at the entrance and does not take up space within the bedroom itself. Floor to ceiling height, lots of space for all your accessories, clothing. This room easily fits in a king-size bed or a queen-size bed. Lots of space to walk around. This is definitely a very nice place to enjoy after a hot day outside. And also, look at the floor to ceiling windows, allowing lots of fresh air coming in The bay window has been converted to a bench for you to sit down and just enjoy the view outside. And if you do not need this bedroom, it can also be converted to a study or a workstation to work from home. Come, let us view the master bedroom. As you walk into the master bedroom, you will notice that all rooms has got good thick flooring. This is the walk-in wardrobe with 8 door panels, lots of space for your accessories and clothes, double vanity, marble top, shower, toilet, and this is definitely the ultimate thing in this room. Standalone bathtub for you to soak all your eggs away. A huge king-size bed with more walking space even for you to walk around. This just shows how huge this room is. You can have TV on the wall with console or even have a study table here. Else, just sit down, relax by the window, looking at the view outside. This is what I call the ultimate luxury living. For foodies, the Reignwood Hamilton Scotts is only a 4-minute walk from Foodie Heaven Newton Food Centre. For shopaholics, Orchard Shopping Belt is only 5 minutes drive away, with malls like Ion Orchard, Wisma Atria and Tanks. You are spoiled for choice. My name is Tina from Urban Agents, and if you like what you see, please do give me a call and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you again in our next luxury listings.